Everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a pattern sphere in Tinkercad. First, we're just going to grab a torus from the shapes bar and drag it onto the work plane. Next, we're going to enlarge it quite a bit, all the way about there. And now it's a bit fat right now, so we're going to go to 2 and change the setting to 1 so it's thinner. And it's still a bit tall for my preference, so I'm going to shrink it a bit, say to about 4. And now from here, we're going to rotate it pretty quickly, a little bit past 90 degrees to 112.5. So you can see it's at slight angle right here. And now what we're going to do is click on that, and then we're going to go up here to the top left and duplicate it. Once we've duplicated it, we're going to move the duplicate slightly that way. And then once that's saved into the duplicate system, we're just going to hit duplicate a couple more times. And bam! Look at that pattern sphere. And if you 3D print this design, it'll probably look something like this.